What counts as porn? How do you know and what to do about it? The reason I really wanted to make this podcast and have a discussion about it is because I get this question all the time. This question is totally a hijacker question. What counts as porn? That is the hijacker in you, my friend. So, we are going to cover even videos on YouTube can be considered pornography that don't seem sexual. We're going to count, social media and, acting out with humans. It's a why, not what. Why are you consuming whatever it is you're consuming?
It's so funny because we didn't talk about this in advance, and literally what my thought was like, why are you going to it? And ultimately what the research in cognitive behavioral therapy would say on addictions is that ultimately it's tied to your emotions, and like it's emotional control. And so like, why are you going to these images? So it's not
Yeah,
about the what, it's about the why. Yeah.
exactly. So it's not about the what, it's about the why. So this is what I want you to write down because the hijacker's trying to tell you, like, dude, all you're doing is watching a toothpaste commercial. How harmful can a toothpaste commercial be? That lady on that podcast, she's nuts. It's just a toothpaste commercial. But when you really look at okay, and I can expand it to yoga videos on YouTube because I hear this one all the time. The hijacker is going to take you in all kinds of directions to get the dopamine from sexualized media. And, are you really trying to learn a new yoga pose? The answer is no. It is about what your brain is getting to feel good, like Zach said, to give you dopamine so that you think it's so that you can handle your life.
I can't tell you how many guys I talk to who, they go into their softwares on their phone, or they download software to block stuff. And then once you get out the most intense stuff, as soon as life starts to get hard, and you may not even know that that's what it's about. And so if you don't know what that it's about, just as a preface, porn is not the main problem. The sexual images are not the main problem. The main problem is everything that's underneath. It's if you had a hard day at work, or if your girlfriend is leaving you, or if you have a death in the family. Like, that is the main problem. And so that's when you begin saying a yoga video might be fun to watch.
Why do you need to do that? The way I think about it is you're trying to change your thought system and to learn how to feel your feelings with a very distorted thought system that doesn't allow you to feel your feelings. Using porn and having a strong or even a moderate or even a mild porn habit, it is designed to prevent you from feeling your feelings and thinking your true thoughts. So you are trying, unless you get into a program or you have a coach, you're trying to change the very thing that this habit is disabling.
I can actually give everybody a strategy for the week on your idea of meta. You're like, what is this idea of meta? Here's what you can do.